This is the ASUS ROG phone. It has a very unique design box. It has 8GB RAM, 6-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 845, and 128GB storage. ROG aerodynamic system. It comes with free ROG jacket when you pre-order at the ESGS event. Let's start the unboxing. Here is the phone. Let's check this box first. The box contains power brick with ROG logo, and it uses USB Type-C for fast charging. This is the USB Type-C braided cord. And it has 2 extra rubber cover. There is another box here. This box contains the SIM eject tool with ASUS markings, and the ROG phone, manual, and warranty. This is the AeroActive cooler. Okay, there is a secret compartment here where the phone case is hidden. Here is the ROG phone case. And it comes with instruction manuals. Okay, let's install the case. Okay, let's boot it up. Wow, do you hear that? Okay, I will set up my phone first. Okay, I'm done setting up my ROG phone, and I also installed some games on it. This is how it looks when you enter the X mode. Remove the rubber cover on the left side. This AeroActive cooler keeps your phone cool while you are playing games. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port at the bottom. See you when I unbox the complete ROG phone accessories, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching!